It's a sunny morning at the construction site. Forklift is having fun pushing wooden boxes in a big sand pit. He's darting around. Suddenly, his back wheels sink into the soft sand. Forklift hits the gas, but only sprays sand everywhere. Forklift tries to reverse, but the more he moves, the deeper he sinks. He honks frantically. Beep, beep, beep. Excavator hears the beeping and rushes over. He scoops away piles of sand around the stuck wheels. But Forklift is still stuck. Crane arrives from across the site, lowers its hook with perfect aim. Crane slowly pulls. Excavator keeps digging from the back. And then, pop! Forklift bounces out like a puffed-up pastry. A fresh morning at a hillside construction site after heavy rain. The sky is sunny, but the ground is still muddy and slippery, with some small slopes. Dump truck is assigned to carry soil up the hill. But, oh no! His rear wheels slip and sink into a deep, muddy puddle. From a distance, Roller is inspecting the road when he sees dump truck's warning lights flashing. Vroom! Roller speeds over and honks 3 times. The team's official rescue signal. Digger is the first to arrive. He uses his bucket to scoop dry dirt and pile it around the sunken wheels to create a way out. Dozer rolls in, lowers his blade, and flattens the ground behind dump truck, creating a solid support path. But it's still not enough. Dump truck's too heavy to break free alone. Boom! Crane arrives. He throws his rescue hook and locks it tightly onto dump truck's tow ring. 1, 2, 3. Crane leans back and pulls with full power. The tires begin to shift. Then suddenly, whoosh! Dump truck is free. Dump truck blinks his lights in a flurry of thanks. A victory cheer for teamwork. The site is back in action. Oh no! A giant tire has gone missing from the repair zone. Panic erupts. Without the tire, dump truck is stuck, wobbling like a 3-legged table. Digger raises its arm like an antenna, scanning left, right. Aha! Faint wheel marks lead to a giant pile of... Investigating like a detective. But it's only a fake tire made of mud that Bulldozer molded for fun. Roller rolls forward and squish! It bumps into something soft and round. It's a rubber pizza that Crane made to practice tire yoga. From a distance, Crane shouts, "The tire is rolling away!" Indeed, the missing tire is gently rolling downhill, knocked loose earlier by Roller. Oh no! The wheels on the bus! Crane swings into action, launches the hook just in time, and snatches the tire before it splashes into the water pit. Everyone cheers. Dump truck gets its tire back and does a little thank-you wiggle, like it's tap dancing. It's a sunny morning at the construction site. The steamroller is rolling smoothly. Suddenly, the steamroller stops in the middle of the road. Oh no! He's out of fuel! He looks confused and frozen like a statue. Forklift hears the trouble and quickly beeps an alert. Crane rushes over, flashing its red warning lights. Excavator hurries up. It's not serious, but we must act fast. Crane lowers its hook and attaches it to the steamroller. Excavator carefully pushes from behind to keep the balance. Forklift leads the way, waving a little flag that says, "Towing in progress." The rescue convoy moves slowly, like a marching metal turtle. At the fuel station, the nozzle fills up the tank. Moments later, the steamroller is back to life. He rolls forward a little, then turns and does a happy little shake.